Good morning, students. Next, we discuss about in electric charges and field chapter is basic properties of charges. Basic properties of charges. So, what are the basic properties of charges? There are three basic properties of charges. Basic properties of charges. In this first one, additivity of charges. Additivity of charges. What is additivity of charges? Okay. So, it means you can take any object, it consists of number of tiny particles and each particle consists of some charge. Okay, so consider an object of charges q1, q2, q3 and so on up to qn. Okay, then what is the total charge of that body is equal to total charge of that body q is equal to is the sum of the individual charges. The sum of the individual charges. So, this is called additivity of charges. Additivity of charges. And second one is conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. What is conservation of charge? You know that conservation of energy. What happened? Energy neither be created nor be destroyed when it is transferred from one point to another point or transferred to one form to another form. Like similarly, charges are also, they are not created and they are not destroyed, but they are transferred from one place to another place. From one place to another place. For example, you have take a comb, దువ్వెన. దువ్వెనతో మీరు తల బాగా దువ్వండి నూనెతో. Okay? And this comb is placed on the piece of papers. What happened? These piece of papers are attracts by this comb. Because of this comb of charges is transferred into our hair. So again this comb will, some charges are missing in this comb. So they are attract some charges from the piece of papers. So charges are transferred to one form to another form. That is, charges in rubbing process, they are transformation. They go from one place to another place in rubbing process. Okay, so transformation of charges takes place when charged bodies are rubbed with each other. Okay, so in this case also we have to take an object and another object also. Then these two objects will rub with each other. Okay, what happened? These charges are move this side, these charges are moves this side. In case 10 electrons are moves this side, similarly that is negative. Similarly 10 protons are moves this side, that is 10 electrons, that is negative charge, move this side. 10 positive charges are move this side. But there is no excess of charges created and there is no destroyed. Okay, so that's why we have to tell charges are follow conservation law. Charges are follow conservation law. So, for example, there are two objects. First charge is q1, second charge is q2. Now both are them adding with each other. Okay, so both are adding. What happened? Charges are transferred. Now these are separate. Then what happened? Their charges are must be changed. Their charges are must be changed. So these charges are must be changed, and these new charges are q1 dash and q2 dash. According to our conservation of charge, total charge before reaction, after reaction, they are same, that is constant. So we have to write the sum of the individual charges before the reaction, that is before the rubbing or before the touching, is equal to the sum of the charges after the reaction, that is q1 plus q2 equal to q1 dash plus q2 dash. Okay, so very important one. Okay, now what is the q1 dash value and what is the q2 dash value? They are both are equally distributed, that is they are transfer equally charges. So this q1 dash equal to q2 dash equal to, we have to write the average of both the charges, that is q1 dash equal to q2 dash equal to q1 plus q2 by 2. Okay students, very important one, this one, conservation of charge. And we have to say third one, quantization of charge. It is a quantization of charge, third one, third property. This is also important, quantization of charge. That is simply said q equal to plus or minus ne is called quantization of charge. What is quantization of charge? We have to take a system or any object. What is the total charge of that object? Okay, so that's why we have to tell this object total charge is equal to is integral multiple of electron charge, is integral multiple of electron charge or fundamental charge. Fundamental charge means electron charge. That is, we have to take any object. In this object consists of number of electrons. Any object consists some number of electrons. So that's why we have to tell what is the total charge of any object equal to is integral multiple of fundamental charge in the object. ఆబ్జెక్ట్లో ఎన్నైతే ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ నంబర్ ఇంటూ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఛార్జ్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే నీకు ఛార్జ్ టోటల్ ఛార్జ్ ఎంతో ఈజీగా తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. అదే ఫస్ట్ది అయితే వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సిస్టమ్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ ఛార్జ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ సిస్టమ్? వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ వన్ Q, వేర్ వాట్ ఈస్ Q? Q is total charge of the body or total charge is represented in coulomb, is represented in coulomb, that is units of charge, coulomb, or simply said C also, C. And this coulomb is very big unit, so that's why we have to use very less quantity of units, that is nano coulomb, NC, or micro coulomb. Okay, nano coulomb means nano 10 power minus 9 coulomb, micro coulomb means 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, one coulomb of charge is transferred to one place to another place, it's take more than lot of years. So that's why coulomb is a big unit. We have to take small units. Nano coulomb 10 power minus 9 coulomb, micro coulomb 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, these are used mainly in problems. Now what is n? N is a pure integer or integer, that is 1, 2 and so on. And E is the charge of the electron. Charge of the electron. Charge of electron. What is the charge of electron? E is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. But this is negative because of electron is a negative charge. In case we have to take positive charge, that is we have to represent plus E and plus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So this is the basic property of the charges. One is additivity of charges, second one is conservation of charge, and the third one is quantization of charge. Okay, you must be remember for these three basic properties. Thank you.